Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your login email on Gumtree. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your email address that you have used to log in, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on My Details. You will now see your login email at the very first. If you click on this edit button, you will only be allowed to change your password. So in order to change your email, underneath within the contact details, click on the edit button. Now you will be shown your primary email address. Just click on the change button alongside your primary email address and then enter the email that you wish to change into. Then click on change primary and you will be asked to check your new email address. So log into your new email address that you just entered and you will find an email from Gumtree. If you open up this email, you will find make your newly added contact email address available on Gumtree. Just click on this button and this will verify your new email address. You can then simply switch into this email address in order to set it as your primary. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your login email address on Gumtree. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.